Trimble Access provides a dedicated user coordinate system and deviation check workflow designed for high-precision fabrication. This tool allows you to move beyond standard project coordinates and receive real-time feedback relative to the component you are building. In a standard setup, measurements are calculated back to the instrument's location. This often makes it difficult for shop floor workers to know which way to move a component. By defining a user coordinate system, you create a temporary, movable grid exactly where you're working, such as the corner of a beam or a specific base plate. To get started, tap Menu and select Stakeout Deviation Check. Then tap the Set UCS soft key. You can define your local grid using points, origin and x-axis, lines, or by loading a previously saved UCS. This moves the origin point to your workpiece, making the data intuitive and actionable. The position and rotation of the UCS can also be manually entered or edited by typing in numbers before storing. Once your UCS is set, select the points you need to verify from the map or list. The instrument will automatically track your target and display the deviations, X, Y, and Z, relative to the component. This ensures the deviations displayed correspond exactly to the physical orientation of the object. Use the real-time measurements to adjust the object's position, remeasure instantly against the UCS, and refine the position until the component meets design specifications. Continue the measure and adjust workflow in real time until the fit is perfect. Once the tolerances are met, tap Store to record the final as-built deviation. By using the deviation check workflow, you ensure the assembly is correct before the first permanent weld is placed. For more information or troubleshooting, visit the Trimble Field Systems Help portal. Thanks for watching.